US30, we can see this week was bouncing between these two price levels around this 38,000 resistance level, and what has happened on the Friday is a small breakout to the upside. The price has gone outside of this resistance level and it has reached 38,225, but it has retracted a little bit slightly on the Friday down to 38,100. On the weekly time frame, we can see this is still bullish momentum, and we can see the previous week has made a breakout outside of this small range area, and it has reached 38,000 as a round number. And currently, as it looks, this week will be closed as a bullish candle also. Now on the monthly time frame, we can see this is also a bullish month. The previous 2 months, where we can see this is the previous month, has made a bullish breakout to the upside above this area here, which is 36,400, and the price is currently trying to make a breakout above 38,000 as a round number. The price did not return back down all the way up to down to 36,400, but the price has made a retrace down to 37,100 and then bouncing from there, where the bulls have took again their strength and push the price even higher, reaching this area as a supply zone where the price currently is. Now we have 3 more days until this month ends, and as it looks, probably the price will close as a bullish candle, which means we have an open space for the price to reach higher price levels. And for now we can make a conclusion that 39,000 will be the next level where the price could try to reach as a round number. So I will make that possible, and just a minute. Okay, this will be the next target as a round number, psychological level for the traders. Now if we go to the weekly time frame, we can see how this looks. Just a minute to stretch this a little bit. As it looks, we can see the price is trying and also making a breakout to the upside on the weekly time frame. So the next week, if the price will continue and a little bit retrace back down, just to confirm the previous resistance acting now as a support, this will be around this area here, which is 37,700. Then the price will continue to rise in value. If the price goes down and the price closes below 37,400, this will mean that price will try to make a breakout to the downside. And if that happens, then this means that the price will try to reach the first demand zone, and that is the support level here around 36,400. But we can see that we have here a channel trend line that is preventing the price from falling down, now acting as a support. But we also have here this one that is making confluence of support that will prevent the price from falling even more down. So this means this is the confluence of support where the price will stop. But until that happens, until the price makes a breakout down below 37,300, I'm still open to see the price on higher price level. As it looks right now on the weekly time frame, the price is reaching higher price level. On the daily time frame, let's see it much more clearly. Just a minute, I need to stretch this one all the way. Okay, let's stretch this one also, and also let's put this one here, a supply demand zone. Okay, let's stretch this one all the way to December, a visualization only on the daily time frame. Okay, now we can see much more clearly that this is a supply, and currently the price is reaching higher price levels, going above this one, which is above 38,000. So now as it looks right now on the market, I can see that the price will try to reach higher price level because the price is gone outside of this small range area, which will need to be confirmed the next week on a Monday. If the price doesn't return back down inside this range area, this will mean that the price will try to reach higher price level. But if the price goes down and reaches and closes below 37,900, this will mean that the price will try to fall down even more around 37,700, which is the next range area. We can see in the past what has happened around this one. So until that happens, we need to see the price reaching higher price level, and as it looks right now, I'm expecting the price to rise in value. If something happens on the market, for example, makes a breakout to the downside, or some kind of the price reaches an area here forming some kind of candle, for example a bearish pin bar or an engulfing candle, I will mention that during the week inside the trading community, so where I'm sharing the daily changes on the market if something happens. So if you would like to follow that, the daily analysis, and when something happens on the market on several symbols, feel free to check the trading community. The link will be below in the description. So see you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.